Morning. This is PB 2009-002244. It's in the matter of Bradford Lund. And perhaps starting with Petitioner's Counsel, you announce your appearances.
Ryan Murphy and Dan Cracchiolo for the petitioners, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeff Shumway for Bradford Lund. Evan Borges sends his apologies. There was a settlement agreement in the California action that all of the parties, including Brad, signed off on, and this morning at 8:30 the judge approved it. So Evan was in Los Angeles on that matter and sends his regards and apologizes for not being here.
Well, I'm glad the California case settled, and maybe sometime you can tell me what happened.
I think we're all happy about that, Your Honor.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge. Joel Sanis from Lake and Cobb here for Rachel and Robert Shevich and for Sabrina Lovejoy.
Thank you.
Sandra Slayton and Mary Bysterkey, Your Honor, for Mr. and Mrs. Lund.
Thank you.
And Joe Boyle, Your Honor, guardian ad litem for Bradford.
Thank you. Thank you for arranging your schedule to be here. I called this brief meeting today to tell you how this case is going to proceed. I received Dr. Wilson's letter, tried to talk her out of it, but she doesn't want to participate anymore because of what she perceived, and I do too, as a completely uncalled for and harassing subpoena that was served on her. And I've received the motion to reappoint her in the response. I'm going to pick a new examiner, either a physician or a psychologist. I'll also set the date for the evaluation. And Mr. Bradford Lund's going to appear on the date that I order. Thursday's status conference is no longer telephonic. I want you all here in person. I've requested that the court investigator provide me a written status report, if he can get that to me before the Thursday conference. If he has made any requests for information or documents from any of you or your clients, and you have not complied yet, you need to do so by the close of business today. If you don't, I will impose sanctions on you Thursday. I'm also considering appointing a discovery master through which you'd have to clear any discovery in advance in the future, but I haven't decided whether I'm going to do that yet. Mr. Sanis, you and your 3 clients are ordered to appear on Thursday and show cause why I should not impose sanctions against you and or your clients for serving this overbroad and oppressive subpoena on Dr. Wilson. It appears it was intended more for harassment than anything else. Any other attorney that participated with Mr. Sanis in the decision to serve the subpoena on Dr. Wilson also is ordered to appear along with your clients and show cause why you and or your client should not be sanctioned. In other words, if this was part of a joint litigation strategy, or if Mr. Sanis ran the idea by other counsel before serving the subpoena, you will need to tell me about your involvement on Thursday, and I'll decide whether any sanctions are appropriate. So, Mr. Shumway, you need to determine if California counsel was involved in any way in the subpoena. If so, he or she needs to be here along with the clients, and I'll decide whether any sanctions should be imposed. California counsel also needs to know that pro hoc vici status is a privilege, and if I find any wrongdoing, I'm going to revoke that status. Accordingly, it's hereby ordered quashing the subpoena that was served on Dr. Wilson, although I believe that issue is moot. It's further ordered that Mr. Sanis and his 3 clients appear and show cause on November 4, 2010 at 9:30 a.m., why the court should not impose sanctions against them. Again, it's ordered that this status conference that's set is no longer telephonic. It's further ordered that any attorney who participated with Mr. Sanis in the decision to serve this subpoena shall also appear with his or her clients and show cause, if any they have, why they should not be sanctioned. Failure to appear will result in the court issuing a warrant for your arrest. It's further ordered that leave of court must be obtained before any discovery request is directed at the court-appointed examiner, whether that's a physician or psychologist or court investigator. It's further ordered that any outstanding requests for information or documents made by the court investigator shall be satisfied production of the requested information or documents by close of business today. It's further ordered that until further order of the court, leave of court must be obtained before any discovery request or deposition notice is served on any party or person. You can all go now. Thank you. I'll see you on Thursday.
Judge, may I have a question about one of the document requests from our clients?
No one